Buy this, not that. Tools that just make sense, and some that don't. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about some of the electric tools that we might use as mechanics. Obviously you can see my preference is Milwaukee, and that is for a reason. These tools are going to be more powerful than your DeWalt's or than your Snap-ons. They're going to last longer, and the battery is going to charge faster. There's not really a whole lot bad to say about these, other than, first of all, they're very, very cost prohibitive. They're quite expensive. I think for all of these combined is somewhere in the $1,500 range. But this is really one of those things that you're going to get what you pay for. The only other real issue I've had is my half-inch has kind of beaten itself to death, but it is all warrantyable. And that's about it for these electric tools. Get you some. If this video is useful, like and subscribe.